video one. Hi, welcome back, or welcome. My name is Roxana. That's Roxy. It's all my links posted everywhere here. So I am doing a Valentine's Day kind of like makeup. I'm not a professional. I'm your original, probably, you call them, amateur at this. I'm not very good. I'm sorry about the focus. So hopefully you guys enjoy this face and how I did it. And yeah, if you want to kind of get this look, then I guess keep watching. It's been such a while since I did a tutorial. I'm sorry. So I'm also going to do my hair. Thinking about it, maybe. I'm going to take some selfies and stuff. And then I'm thinking of doing kind of like, my stomach just grumbled. Did you guys hear that? If you did, if I caught it, I'm going to play in slow motion. But, yeah, so this is just my take on it. Don't take me too seriously. So yeah, let's kind of get started. And then this is going to be a voiceover, so yeah. See you guys. Hope you enjoy. Bye. This is really up close and personal. Me that makeup on. Yes, I need to do my eyebrows like ASAP. I'm doing them on Friday. So let's get started, guys, and hopefully, I don't know, it's great. It's good, you like it. If not, then. Okay, so let's get started. First, I used the NYX eyeshadow base, and I put that all over my eyelid up to my brow bone. I blend it out with this beauty blender. Why? Because I've seen people do that. And then I take this angled fluffy brush, and I'm using it, I guess it's called a transitioning color, or in between color, and it has a little bit of reddish undertone, so I'm applying that all over my crease. And I'm applying this color. Yes, I'm nervous. I don't usually play with color, more to say, so I was pretty nervous. Apply that all over my eyelid, on both lids, of course, and I also ended up spraying the finishing spray to make the color pop a little bit more. So just applying that, and then I took an angled brush, and again, the eyeshadow that I'm using here had a little bit of red undertone to it. So here I'm putting it in my crease, and I'm slowly dabbing it just at the corner, and then slowly kind of bringing it into that little crease indent that we kind of all have. And then I also angled it out a little bit. Why? Because I've seen people do that. That's why. And then from here, I believe I blended out a little bit just to smooth out the edges, to make it look less messy. Let's see, what else? Now I move on to my face. I'm using the NYX, what is it? The NYX Stay Matte Foundation. And this is where I messed up, guys. I don't ever usually put my eyeshadow on first, and this was a force of habit. Yep. So I did the eyeshadow first in case of fallout. I ended up fixing it. Not that great, but still fixed it. Now finishing up with my foundation. I blend that all out. And as you can see, it's not really much of my skin tone. So I used two setting powders. I used the NYX one, the one that came with it, and then the Bare Minerals in Golden Tan, just to give me a little bit more of that undertone that I kind of have. So applying that all over my face. Now it's time for the Golden Tan one. Now this is my super beat up L'Oreal Pro contour and highlight. So that's the one I used, the one right in the middle, and I used a L'Oreal Pro brush that kind of came with the whole thingamabob, and I just contouring my cheeks, the top of my forehead, and I do a little bit on my nose. Now it is time to fill in my eyebrows. I don't know what pencil this is. I had it a long time ago and it just still hasn't run out. So here I'm continuing to blend a little bit more, because I added a little bit more of that darker color on the crease, as you can see what I'm doing there. And then I blended it back out. And I took the Beauty Blender simply because I had a little bit of fallout, so trying to make sure I got rid of all of that. I am doing gel eyeliner. I don't show it on video just because it takes me a long time, and I did just a small cute little wing, which you will see. Bam, a cute little wing. It's so cute. And then I curl my eyelashes and apply mascara, and of course, boom, already done. Now it's time for my highlight. I highlight on my cheekbones, the top of my eyebrow, your brow bone, I guess you call them, and then the bridge of my nose. Some people do like your cupid's bow, but I don't know, I just don't like the way it looks. After the highlights, I add black eyeshadow on my lower waterline. It just makes my eyeliner last longer. And then I just use this random ass MAC lipstick. I don't know the name of it, but it's really pretty. And then I believe this is pretty much it. I just do my finishing spray, which is my NYX, the dewy finish, and then I use my Urban Decay, I believe it's oil control or the cool hydrating one. And then I spray that all over my face and dry myself off with my little palette. And that is pretty much all I did, guys. This is my full look. I hope you enjoyed it. If not, I'm sorry, I guess. But feel free to check out my bloopers and how clumsy I get. So, love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Oh, and I promise I'm not naked. I have a shirt. It's just like really over the shoulder, so...
I just dropped my phone. Hey guys, it's Roxy and
Oh my God!
I just broke my powder. Why must I be so fucking
Clumsy.